Alrighty, well today's little mission, you can do mum's brakes. Just shot down to Carlos's house with old Rico Tech. Yeah, done a bit of shit this morning, didn't really update, but anyway, gonna take these wheels off and then yeah, you can see how Ravdog changes some brakes. Good old fucking your mum's starlet, mate. Cause what it is, my mum's starlet.
It's invisible. Grab the gun.
Crazy, well, crazy. Lock and load. Anyway, how are we today, Carlos? Give us the update.
Good.
Yeah?
For a boat ride today.
It really is quite a nice day, isn't it?
It is.
A little bit of a breeze gone, but fuck. Alrighty.
Need a socket too,
Yeah, fuck, I didn't bring anything else. Fuck, you're the man, so. Alright. I'm gonna update you what we do and stick the tire up. Alright, so. You take that bolt, take that one off and slip it up, eh? Yeah, take that bolt off.
Nice easy trollers.
Slip right up, mate, and hopefully, we've got the right brakes here. Good old G-Manger was up to fault here, so fuck, we'll find out. Woo! Woo! Well, they're squeaking like a motherfucker, so maybe it's the right side. Old Carlito wants to do a proper mean-ass job. I'm gonna give it a good old greasy poo. Make sure everything works properly. And then, yeah, they're the right ones anyway. They're alright. One of them. Exact same. Good job. Good job, G-Banger. Good job. Nah, it's really the shop, eh? It's never really the fucking person at fault. What's that?
Oh, look, it came with some grease already, cuz. That's when you know it's good brakes. It comes with the fucking grease. Oh, the trucking, the trucking. Is it a sticker?
Oh, it's a service sticker, cuz. Fuck, that's on.
I've never seen a car come with that.
And I'll bring it home to my mum's, you know, it's a proper service, dude. It's a proper service, you know. Brakes and all.
You've had your what?
That's pretty cool, though.
Shout out to that company that makes that. Every brake should have
I'm
that.
definitely gonna do that. I'm definitely gonna fill that out. We have to. We'll sign it, Ravdog. Yeah. Ravdog certified. Alrighty. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You pull that up. Once that pulls up, they both just slide out, and then yeah, we'll show you how to put them on when they're ready to put them on. Alright, so now we're just taking both wheels out. Both bolts out. Bingo, bango.
Pop the sliders out and grease them up because they're a bit dry.
That one's got shumshing on it.
Better than the other one.
Yeah, the other one was just absolutely dry as a fucking nun's cunt.
The CV boot's split.
Strange. Just passed it off though, so.
Zip up the boot.
Fresh wash, mate. She's all good. Anyway. What about work? You don't even use this stuff?
Nah, I don't know how you use this stuff, hey.
Nah, the stuff that it came with.
Oh, nah, this will last longer.
No, with him.
That's why normally most brakes and use stuff it comes with, they'll go like that one.
Alright.
That one and just lose it all. This stuff will last forever. Hopefully, I put it on my truck CV.
No?
Yeah.
Well, we'd hope so, yeah.
Hopefully it's good.
Strange. Alright, we're going to cover these bitches and slip them back in there, you know the drill. And then I'll show you on the other side as well. Oh, slip them out, Gil. Yeah. Yeah.
Getting it first. Spins a bit true. Leave it like that.
Alrighty, so that's pretty much what we're doing. Well, Carlos is doing like a good man. Don't see my hands dirty even. Yeah, even though she's full certified by Ravdog. Work's done by Carlos. Anyway. Ooh. Do I really, cuz? Anyway, so we're gonna grease those bitches up, and then he's actually got this super nice tool to what do you call it? Decompress the fucking brake cylinder or whatever. So that's pretty cool. Most time you just get a G clamp or something that turns in here. You can turn and slowly push down. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. You just turn it and it just separates both sides.
You've been putting your balls between it and tightening it.
Oh, rough one. I'm actually okay, to be honest. I would be okay. I'd probably, yeah, probably, yeah.
Get a few beers in your 440s.
I mean, I mean, if I put my nuts here and then fold my dick down, we can crush them. We can crush them all in one. We can crush them all in one. You know, fuck, it could really work. It could really work here. This could really be something. Fuck, make sure you follow my OnlyFans. I'll put my link in the description.
He's got an OnlyFans too, by the way.
Yo, fuck it, should I just fucking shitty bucks a month, cuz shitty bucks a month. Subscribe. OnlyFans, I'll put some exclusive stuff up on the 50 brothers. Shut up. Comment what you want, and we'll try and make it happen. Whoa, what's that? Paraphernalia! Paraphernalia! Oh yeah, straight up. Wow! This goes alright. Put a Ravdog power, mate, get you going. Alright. Fuck, we're really on the missions now, aren't we? So this guy, roped me in. Fucking go to Tauranga.
We're going to TGA.
We're going to TGA, mate. Alright. Anyway, it's like 7:30 or some shit now, so fuck, probably get there at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Probably leave there at like, I don't know, probably get back at like 1:30, we'll find out. Mission's on. Manual, baby! Fuck, that's bad, eh? Alrighty, stretching our fucking legs a little bit. They're pretty bad, cars. That's pretty on, cars. Alright, at least I fucking will, baby. That fucking thing was bad. G, you're on. You're fucking on if you're watching this, you're on. Anyway, you're gonna get back home. I don't really think I'm gonna record much else than fucking today, because I don't know, you're not really doing fuck all, because probably just go home, I'll have a couple of hot ones.
Go home.
Go to sleep, you know. Bit of this, bit of that.
You know
Gangsta, guys. Alright, let's go, dude. Alrighty, she fucking made it. The chef made it. The chef made it. Alrighty, I'm probably just gonna go to this cunt's house, go give him the wheels, and then yeah, probably call that another day, eh? Just a fucking another day in Ravdogslife, eh? Whoa, simmering. Fuck, I could do with a bag and a box right now, eh? Whoa. Anyway, it's another day in Ravdogslife, baby. Stay beautiful to the fucking way you are. So that's the best way, baby. Saying of the week, fucking can be, I don't know. What's the saying of the week, Logan? What's the saying of the week?
Fuck, I don't know.
Oh, here we go. I actually fucking seen this on the brother's story, on the Snapchat story. He seems to say it quite a bit, and it's quite catchy. It's getting into my brain a bit. And it's for all you dumb cunts out there, learn to fucking learn. Like, if you fuck up and you don't learn from your mistakes, like, fuck, just learn to learn, please. Learn to fucking learn, like. If you keep fucking up, left, right, centre, doing the same shit over and over again, I think that saying goes real good for you, hey? Just fucking learn to learn. Stay beautiful. Well, don't really stay beautiful if you're fucking up, so, I don't know. Learn to learn. I think that's a mean one. Fucking eh. Oh, fucking simmering, or definitely fucking simmering. I